One of the things I love about my hair dye— oh frick, B. Good morning guys, today is June 2nd, 2018. Today is the day I dye my whole head of hair blue, and I'm really excited and really scared. So we're gonna pray that it turns out well. I'm also gonna go get my eyebrows done, so today is a no makeup day because I can't put eyebrow makeup on. I woke up at 11:25 and it's like 11:45 now, and look, I'm already ready for my day. So yeah, we have to leave soon, so because my hair appointment's at 1:30, and then we gotta go get my eyebrows done first, and I gotta practice driving because my driving test is in 24 days. Also guys, yesterday my dad bought me micro SD cards for my GoPro, so I think I'm going to try vlogging on it a little bit, but I'm also going to use my regular camera because I have to show you guys my hair and everything, and I don't want to like mess it up by playing around with my GoPro. But I will try to use the GoPro for some of today's vlog, so hopefully it turns out okay. If it doesn't, I'm super sorry, but I'm still figuring out how to work it, so yeah. Talk to you guys later.
Fucked up. It used to be so hard to see. Yeah, loving is easy when everything's perfect. Please don't change a single little thing for me. Listen girl, when you can't even hide it, and it didn't take forever to find it. I was all on my own, almost glad to be alone, until love came in. On time, so loving is easy. You have me fucked up. It used to be so hard to see. Yeah, loving is easy when everything's perfect. Please don't change a single little thing for me. Ooh, oh, oh.
Sorry, I worked super eggy. You know, whatever. This took 4 hours. I get better pictures tomorrow.
So listen girl, when you can't even hide it, and it didn't take forever to find it. I was all on my own, almost glad to be alone, until love came in. On time, oh, on time. Loving is easy. You had me fucked up. It used to be so hard to see. Yeah, loving is easy when everything's perfect. Please don't change a single little thing for me. Ooh, oh, oh. I should've stayed at home, 'cause right now I see all these people that love me, but I still feel alone. Can't help but check my phone. I could've made you mine, but no, it wasn't meant to be. And see, I wasn't made for you, and you weren't made for me, though it seemed so easy. And that's because I wanna be your favorite boy. I wanna be the one that makes your day, the one you think about as you lie awake. Yeah, I can't wait to be your number one. I'll be your biggest fan and you'll be mine, but I still wanna break your heart and make you cry. But won't you wait? You know it's too late. I'm on my own shit now. Let me tell you how it feels to be fucking great. I feel great.
One of the things I love about my hair dye— oh frick, B. One of the things I love about my hair dye is it turned green at the bottom, just because like I get that love is like on my hair, so
Someone for loving you. there's someone really cool who makes your heart melt. Who knows what you truly felt? You're still my favorite girl. You better trust me when I tell you there ain't no one else more beautiful in this damn world. In this damn world. You're gonna wanna be my best friend, baby. You're gonna wanna be my best friend.
Hey guys, so it is June 4th, 2018. I went to school with my blue hair for the first time today, and let me just tell you that it is a lot more nerve-wracking than I thought it would be. Like, I didn't really think much of it, I was just really excited for it, but then actually walking into places and like going to school, it was a lot scarier than I thought, because you know that people are going to be looking at you because all of a sudden, oh my god, your hair is blue! And okay, I haven't always fit like society's view of what's pretty and what's not, I know this. I've definitely changed in appearance in the past like year especially, so I don't have the most self-confidence in the world, so this was very like an interesting experience, I guess, to like go out with this bright blue hair and attract a bunch of attention to myself. I'm always a person who attracts a lot of attention to herself because I like attention, but like this was different because like people are gonna look at you whether you want them to or not. They are gonna look at you. And I don't know, like it was a little bit scary throughout the whole day, but now that it's been done, I don't know, I feel more confident and I really love it and it's so cute. I love the like natural ombre it got, like oh my god. Sometimes I just like forget that my hair is blue. Like I don't know, it like blows my mind sometimes. I'll look at myself in the mirror and I'm like, my entire head of hair is blue, and that just like freaks me out sometimes because I kind of forgot, but you know. Alright homies, so back in the day I made a sophomore year bucket list and I put one copy in my planner for sophomore year and one copy just in my drawer. And so we're gonna go look through it again because I haven't looked at it in a hot minute. No! Celebrate my sweet 16 with friends. Yeah boy, I did that. That was fun. 4, 22, 18. Get driver's license, my test is on June 26th. So, let's see. Reach 200, no. Help me out, y'all. We'll see. I'm currently at an 89.1 in AP Calc, and I'm like, I am not doing this. I decided to stick with guard. Nope, I didn't try out auditions for today. I don't know if I did that. Meet new people? Yeah, I'd say I did that. Faux show. Oh, I didn't write the date for 1,000. Get a 5, oh, we'll see. I don't know.